They say turn it this way. I guess make it bigger. All right, you guys. I'm going to show you how I make chicken and waffles. That's the chicken there. I got 2 pieces of chicken in there. It doesn't have any flour on it because it has a lot of cayenne peppers and, you know, spicy chili to make it nice and hot. Some legs and wings. And over here, I have the mix. This is the mix that I make for my waffles. I put a little nutmeg in there and a little bit of cinnamon. I'm going to put some of that maple syrup on it. I'm going to let you guys take a peek. Ooh-wee. As from the last video, you know, some like it lighter than others in my household. Aim to please. Don't they look just delicious? Mm-mm. And this is my version, my version of chicken and waffles. Belgian waffles. Fried chicken. 2 layers. All right, gotta go, guys. I'm going to enjoy my pancakes. My waffles, my pancakes. My waffles and chicken.